So hello guys, we're going to show you a tutorial how to easy win in a Paragon mode. So now guys, we're here in the Paragon mode. We chose strong because there's no another choice. You can get the purple one or the regen. Start. So we're gonna put 2 units in the front and 2 wagon on this side or anything side, any side you want to put the wagon. And gonna put another wagon here and another 2 Vegeta. So we're gonna upgrade our wagon first. And now guys, we're gonna put our unit here, the Igris and Rain. So we have buff and we have the boss killer here. We're gonna upgrade it first. So in here guys, we're gonna upgrade our Vegeta to the max. That one Vegeta at the back. So we can easily kill the enemy. Just one Igros and one Rain for buff, and you're gonna get the last kill of Igros and don't upgrade it anymore. And so and you're gonna get you're gonna upgrade the 4 Vegeta at the front and the back. On the back side, you're gonna upgrade the 2. You have the strong unit, guys. I think that's good. Can kill the boss easily, guys. No matter what it goes, it can kill the boss easily. Yeah. By the way, guys, my Vegeta is not evil, but it have a good stats. I think, yeah, it's have a good stat. Gonna max the 2 Vegeta at the back, guys. We're gonna max the 2 Vegeta at the back, or what unit you're gonna put at the back side in the front. Wow, what is that? So the boss is now good, and it's good, and now it's gonna transform to the so 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 second phase. And yeah, it's gonna easy kill for Igris because Igris is a boss killer. Best for boss, guys. And that's it. I hope it helped you guys. Thank you for watching the video. Sorry if my video is not good because It's my first time to make video.
Alright.